Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you are all well. I'm on my own on the boat at the moment, just waiting for you to come back. So I thought I would give you a few updates. Number one, our hot water system is now done. We haven't tested it yet, but I'm sure it will be okay. We do the tests later on today, so we'll find out if we've got hot water or not. That would be nice. Number two, we decided to keep our old anchor chain. It's a bit too short for our needs, so we bought 10 meters of new chain and we're just gonna weld it together. So that's where he went. He went to the place where he used to work 3 years ago, and friend of his, he's a good welder and will do that job for us. Oh, hold on, Lee is calling. Okay, so Lee just called me and said that his friend is actually not there today, but they let him to use the machine, so Lee is gonna weld it himself. And he actually called me asking, shall he record it, and how shall he record it, for Facebook or for YouTube? So I said, no, record it for YouTube. We will show people how you done it, and you know, if you done a good job. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for him, and once he's back, we get the chain back on board, and we can, you know, put it back in the locker, have it all sorted. And that will be one more job done. Windy today. I mean, it's crazy. Look at this. I mean, seriously, it's June and we get weather like this. Honestly, I can't wait to get to the bed. Wow. Makes you feel alive, innit?
done.
Much better weather than 3 days ago. What a difference. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, let's have a look. It's lovely, isn't it?
Nice looking boat, that one. Okay, so the water heater's done. We've fitted the hoses on. This is on the Beta 25. You've got your outlet here next to that injector. That's the water coming out from your engine to your calorifier water heater. And down here underneath, you can see that is the return. Put a valve on here so we can just shut it off. Take one of the Jubilee clips off, bottom one. When we want to drain it, do a coolant change. Just makes it a bit simpler. And onto the water heater down here. This is water in from the engine through the water heater and out along here and back to the engine, and it heats up the water in your tank and it gives you hot water for about 2 hours after you stop running the engine. And that's it. It's not a hard job once you know where all your bits and pieces go. Yep, pipe's hot anyway.
It's getting hot?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, let's test it.
Yeah, try it.
Nothing yet. Oh,
Warmer?
it's getting warmer.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Good.
Oh, that feels nice.
It's working.
It is working.
Yeah.
It's not super hot, it's just warm. But you can feel it. I could have a shower in that.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely I could have a shower like that. So, and we only run it for 15 minutes?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll get hotter.
Yeah, so good.
Okay, fantastic.
Brilliant.
Another job ticked.
There you are.
Yes, I know.
I thought you got lost.
lost at work. Chuck it over.
Yeah.
Really?
Wow, what a technique! Whoa! Oh, I can imagine. My God, it seems quite long now. Oh, there we go. Oh, thank you so much. There you go.
Ah, it's the wrong chain, hold on.
Oh my God, okay, let's eat, I'm starving.
Yeah.
So this is where the anchor rope is attached. And then it goes up. Lee's gonna feed it through the rest of the rope and our anchor chain, and all this will start filing up here. Up there, we will be able to see it there as well. So yeah, let's do it. Hello. Down the hatch.
shackle.
Show it to the camera, was it?
It's Loctite 242, I think it's medium strength. Don't need a lot. Oh, too much.
Does it stain the deck?
No, not stain the deck. Just wipe it up.